Hello students. Now today we start the next form of tense is the continuous tense, and we read about all the three tenses in this form: present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Now read the following sentences. I am playing now, I was playing then, and I shall be playing tomorrow. Here students, there are three types of sentences. You see the difference of their verb. Here am is used with I and the verb is in its ing form. Here was is used with I and verb is in its ing form. And I is used with shall be and verb is in its ing form. The verb am playing shows an action that is going on or continuing the present time. Am playing स्टूडेंट शो करता है उस एक्शन को जो काम वर्तमान में चल रहा होता है. Now it is said to be in the present continuous tense. Now we find in the end of in Hindi translation रहा है, रही है, रहे है means जो सेंटेंस रहा है, रही है या रहे हैं में एंड होता है, these sentences are in present continuous tense. The verb was playing shows an action that was going on or continuing at some time in the past. ये सेंटेंस हमें बताता है कि जो एक्शन हो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ था और अभी कंटिन्यू है, चल रहा है, it is said to be in the past continuous tense. Next student, the verb shall be playing shows an action that will be going on continuing at some time in future. इस टेंस में स्टूडेंट्स उस कार्य के साथ करते हैं जो पहले शुरू होगा और भविष्य में लगातार समय सीमा में चलता रहेगा. इन सेंटेंसेस के एंड में ता रहेगा, ती रहेगी या ते रहेंगे वर्ड एंड होते हैं. All these sentences are said to be future continuous tense. Here students, I give you the structure of all these sentences. Now this one is present continuous. So the structure of that tense is subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing means verb is in its ing form and then object. The structure of past tense is subject plus was or were plus V1 in its ing form plus object. Next is future continuous. Structure of that tense is subject plus will, shall plus be plus V1 in its ing form and plus object. Here student, for example, I give one sentence like in subject we use Rohit. Now Rohit is in its singular form, singular subject. So with Rohit the is used. The verb is in ing form and we use verb is play. Rohit is playing now. Same sentence we write in past tense. The sentence become Rohit was playing then, and in future it becomes Rohit will be playing tomorrow. I hope students you have to understood it. So you have to write the structure of that tense, all three tenses, and the example of that sentences in your notebook.